So I got this plug back here that when we were redoing the manifold gaskets, it was plugged in something, but then we couldn't find a wire, and I'm not sure what this goes to. It's connected to the wires that go to the O2s also, but I'm not sure what this goes to, and we couldn't find a wire that it plugs into. And then also, I'm taking out this computer because this computer is obviously not right. There are pins missing in here. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that or not. This is a 94 XOT Ranger 4.0 V6 four-wheel drive manual, so I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that. But I'm about to take out this computer because AutoZone screwed me.